How to create a Google Chat account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create a Google Chat account. For this, you want to open the Play Store app or App Store on your device. Then tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Google Chat. Now you want to simply install this application in your device. The Google Chat is an intelligent and secure communication and collaboration tool built for teams. It includes direct messages, group chats, and platform integration with Google Apps. Once the application has been installed, tap on the Open option. Once you open the application, tap on the Get Started option. Now it's going to show you the list of Google accounts currently signed up on your device. You simply want to select whichever account it is that you want to sign into your Google Chat account. As soon as you tap on the Google account, you will be signed into Google Chat automatically. You do not have to create a separate account for Google Chat since Google Chat is a part of Google Apps. So as you can see, your new profile has been created on Google Chat. Now, if you have not been signed into your Gmail account in your device, you will have to enter your Gmail ID and password, then tap on the sign in option. Once you do that, you will be successfully signed into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.